content. And I'm just going to copy and paste this here. So what this is going to do is going to go, there is no post directory yet, but it's going to create that and it's going to create this post. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we can see this first post was created. So using your favorite text editor, go ahead and open and modify that file. I will be using NeoVim. So NeoVim. And here we can see at the very top something called front matter, or the metadata for your post. So this essentially shows us the title of the post, the draft, whether it's true or false, the date, and additional details that you can add later on. And we'll go over that in more detail in another video. So by default, as we can see from the documentation, Hugo does not publish the draft content when we build our site. But let's add some information here. So I'm just going to add introduction. Oh, okay, I got to type better. And then I'll say this is my first, and I'm going to add it in bold, post. I'm going to go ahead and save this file. So if I was to run the server like I did before, and I'll show you, you will not be able to see that post because by default, the draft content is not published. So what we can do to publish the draft content is you continue to scroll down. You can see right here, it says Hugo server -d or -- build drafts. So let's go ahead and try that. We'll try Hugo server -d. So we can see here, go in for refresh our page. We can see our first post. And we can kind of also see this when we look at the command line when we run the server. As you can see here, prior to me using the -d command, just Hugo server, which is up here, you can see 10 pages were generated. However, after I did the -d, 11 pages were generated. In other words, our draft content was generated as well. And we can see those changes locally.